Alright, I'm going to go through how to create a purchase order line in Alma. This is a order that I submitted this morning, and I placed the order in YBP Gobi, and I gave it a purchase order number of 180902. And so what we're going to do is create a purchase order line for this book called End of Loyalty, The Rise and Fall of Good Jobs in America. So what I'm going to do is highlight this ISBN number, and then we're going to open up Alma, and we're going to search by ISBN number. And we want to search the network zone, so I'm going to select the network zone tab. And you'll see the Georgia College and State University, University of Georgia and Valdosta already have a copy of this. And you'll notice that this record is not linked to our institution zone, so we don't own this. What we want to do is create a purchase order line, and we do that by clicking Order. And you want to select, in this case, you want to select Print Book one time. The PO line owner is Dorothy Hightower, and we want to assign the inventory manually, so we place a check mark here. Click Create PO line. The message says the PO line will not create an inventory item, and we want to click on Confirm. And what we're doing is manually creating a purchase order line. So the first message you see here is a new PO line was created. Please review it, so you'll have to edit this page, and we'll want to select the library it's going into. So we're choosing Hightower, and then we choose the permanent location, which is the general collection, second floor stacks. The item policy is books. You have to click Add and scroll down to Material Supplier and select Gobi. And expected receipt after ordering days is set to 21, but you can manually override that by choosing a date from the calendar. So I'm going to give it 5 weeks, and our expected receipt date is going to be October 27th. If the book doesn't arrive by that date, then it's going to show up on our claims page. You'll want to enter a list price, and that's going to be $30. And we have a 14% discount, so we need to enter that where it says discount percent, and then select a fund. And the fund we're going to use is YBP Gobi. And you'll see that our available balance is $14,204. The next thing we want to do is click Add Fund. And then you'll click the reporting code. And this book is going to be ordered for business administration, so we're going to select Business Admin, Arts and Science, and the invoice status is no invoice, and acquisition method purchase and vendor system just means that we ordered this from YBP and we haven't received an invoice yet, obviously. Click Additional, and then you want to select Manual Packaging, save and continue, and go. And this is going to display the purchase order line number. And that is PO line 213. You can take a look at that by clicking the Alma main menu, search for PO line. And you'll see it entered our expected delivery date as October 27th. Total price is $25.80. And this has not been assigned a purchase order yet. After we go through this purchase order that has been submitted to YBP, then the next step is to go to Alma main menu and then click package. And you would select all the items that you want to package together into a PO. And but at this point we're done creating the purchase order line for this particular book called End of Loyalty. And so the next thing we'll do is we will search for the next book on our purchase order, which is How Brands Grow. And basically, you would search for all of the books on this purchase order, and you would search for them in the network zone. If you find them in the network zone and the information matches, for example, the publication date and things like the page number here match what your PO says for Gobi, then you see it does 228 pages, and Oxford University Press says publication year 2010. If all of that matches, then all you have to do is click the order link like we just did and go through that process. If the item doesn't show up in the network zone, then the next thing you would do is look in the community zone and see if there's a community zone record. If there's no community zone record, then you would have to export the record from OCLC connection into Alma. So as an example of that, let's say we are going through the purchase order and we come to this one, Essential Business Skills. If you search in the network zone for this, it will find no records. If you search the community zone, the record they have is for an ebook. So what we'd have to do here is search in connection. And so you would just open up connection and you would search. You can search by ISBN number because we have that. And it's probably the bottom one here. And the publication date is 2015, and it says it's 224 pages, and so this matches. And it's Routledge, and that matches, and Gurmak is the author. So here's the record, and we're not going to be able to edit out the 938. Just go ahead and leave those alone for now. All we need to do at this point is click on Action, Holdings, Produce Update Holdings, and then Export, and then go to Batch, Process Batch, and it's going to give us an MMSID number. And what we're going to do is copy and paste that MMSID number into Alma. And we'll want to look for it in the network zone. And you'll see that it's not linked to our institution zone yet. What we want to do is repeat the same steps we did earlier. So we're going to click Order. And then as long as you're in the same session, it's going to remember the options that you picked the last time. So these are all good. We're going to click Create PO Line, Confirm, and we'll be filling this out just like we did before. We select our library, our permanent location, the item policy. You have to remember to click Add, and then select Gobi. And then you're going to enter the expected receipt date, which is, I'm putting in the 27th of October. The list price is $41.95, and we have a discount of 14%. So that's going to be $36.08, and then we select our fund, which is YBP Gobi, and then you have to remember to click Add. Add fund, and then we're going to select our reporting code, and this is going to be for business admin. There is no invoice, and we click Additional and select Manual Packaging, Save and Continue, and then Go. And that's going to create our purchase order line 214. And if you go to Search for PO line, you will see that let me pull this up. Okay, you'll see that after we clicked order and created the purchase order line, that it linked that record to our institution zone, and you see that because of the icon here. And you can toggle to the record in the network zone and see that we're the only institution that has a copy of this, which you saw before when I searched for this by ISBN, nothing came up in the network zone. We exported it to Alma, and so we're the only institution that has a copy. When the book comes in, then we'll be able to go to Edit Record, and from the MD Editor page, then we'll add the local notes field, and we'll go in and if we have to remove any of the fields to exclude, then we'll do that at that point after the book arrives, and then add our holdings in our item record. And you also see, if you go to the PO Lines to Package page, you'll see the record that we just exported right here, and it gives you the purchase order line 214. And you see that this has not been packaged yet because there is no PO that's been created yet. That's been linked to this purchase order.